Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn how we can make 3 levels dependent drop-down list in Excel using XLOOKUP function. So how we can do this? Let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
In this sheet, you can see that on the right of this gray shaded area, we have the data, and on the left we have the table in which we want to make the 3 levels dependent drop-down list. The data is about different continents, and the next level is the countries, and the third level will be the cities. And we want to make such dependent drop-down list in which when we first select any continent, in the next level we can select the countries within that continents, and at the third level we can select the cities from the selected countries. For this purpose, I will select these cells under continent and I will go to the data tab. I will click on this data validation. I will select data validation. I will choose list, and in the source I will select all the cells that contain continents and just click OK. Now you can see that I can choose any continent using this drop down button. Now in the B column we want to make a drop down list of all the countries that comes under Asia. For this purpose I will write equal and write function XLOOKUP. First I need to select the lookup value, and the lookup value will be the continent in this cell. So I'll select this cell. After this I need to pass the lookup array. The lookup array will be the headings of this second table, because these continents will be looked into all these 3 continents, and I will fix this with the help of pressing F4 key from the keyboard. And after this I need to pass the return array, and the return array will be the countries. So I will select all the countries and again log them by pressing F4. After this I will just close the parentheses and hit enter. So now you can see that the list is here, but this list is not a dependent drop down list. So I will just click on this cell and I will go to the formula bar and I will copy this formula and I will delete it from these cells. Now I will select all the cells in this column and I will go to the data validation. Again I will select list, and here in the source I will pass the formula that I have copied, and then I will click OK. So now you can see that I have a dependent drop down button, and when I check into this, it is only showing the countries under the Asia continent. I can choose any country, and if I have selected Europe in the continent, I can select any country from this segment. And in the next row, if I have selected Africa, then I can select any country from the Africa continent. Now for making the third level dependent drop down list, again I will use the same strategy. So here in the cities, again I will write equal XLOOKUP. First I need to pass the lookup value. This time the lookup value will be the country, so I will select this cell. After this I need to pass the lookup array, and the lookup array will be the headings of the third level, and again I will fix them by pressing the short key F4. Next I need to pass the return array. The return array this time are the cities, so I will select all the cities and log them by pressing F4. Close the parentheses and copy this formula, because I am just writing this formula here so that you can easily understand. Then I will select all these cells, go to the data validation, select the list and pass the formula that I have copied and click OK. So now we have the list of the cities under the countries that I have selected at the second level. So in this way, you can easily make 3 levels dependent drop-down list using XLOOKUP function. I have used this data so that you can understand the concept. You can customize it as per your need. This is all for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Excel tutorial. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to answer them. See you next time.